Alright, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video and checking it out. Today I thought I'd do something a little different. I will go ahead and give Let's Defend a break. I want to put all their content on my YouTube feed like that. So today, I'm going to just do a quick little run through of Hack the Box, how to set up their, right here, how to set up their machines. Alright. The reason why I'm doing this is because I had trouble myself the first time trying to set it up. So I'll just put it out here just in case anybody else that is watching my channel had the same issue, that maybe this video can help them out. But I will be using the Kali Linux VirtualBox. Right here I'm using VirtualBox as my virtual machine software. I have only used VirtualBox. I like it a lot. So I use it for Kali Linux, or I've used Parrot. I've set up a Windows 2019 server with it, a couple other things, but yeah, virtual machines, they are definitely the way to go for everything IT and cybersecurity, for learning, for sandboxing, whatever you want to do with it. But yes, let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, the open VPNs. When I was doing this, I had no idea what I was doing trying to start it up through the shell, but I had to look it up myself and someone else explained it to me. But so I guess I'll spread the knowledge, right? I used all the POMBox, so I have to do the normal open VPN. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Your active machine could be reverted to it. Oh, didn't know I saw one open. Okay, well, that's fine. Alright, so what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on download VPN. And right there, see it downloaded. Lab _ Joshua M19, that's my name, Joshua M19.ovpn, completed. So right here it says type the following into your terminal / console, or select file and import it into your preferred VPN gateway. When I tried these, didn't work. Maybe I just wasn't doing it right. So I'm just going to do a walkthrough of how I did it. So right here, I am just going to put pwd print working directory just to see where I'm at. Okay, and then let's list what we got here. So since I downloaded it, change directory to downloads, and let's list what's in downloads, and there it is right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and let's see where we are. Okay, so now I'm going to make a new directory and I'm gonna name it HTB for Hack the Box. So let's do, almost forgot there, sudo, I think it's the an H, oh, that is not an H, HTB, enter password for Kali is always Kali. And so now let's list, and there it is right there, HTB. So we will change directory to HTB. And so now we're in HTB. If we list, there's nothing in it because I just created it. So we're going to create a new category inside of the HTB directory that I just created. So let's do the same thing again. Sudo make directory, and we will call this one open VPN. Okay, now let's list. Now we got open VPN. And go back, and so list again. Oh, we are at home. Okay, so I will change directory to, wow, where am I? See, I forgot where I was. That's Kali. Okay, there we go. My fault. Okay, all right, there it is. I got lost for a second. Haven't done this in a minute. Alright, so downloads, that's where it was. So change directory to downloads and list. So I'm going to take this lab _ Joshua M19.ovpn and I'm going to transfer it. I'm going to copy it to the HTB and the OVPN directory that I created. Look, I could be doing this a complicated way, a hard way. I don't know. It's what worked for me, so I'm doing it. If it works for you, which I hope it does, then good. If not, if you hate it, that's on you. So let's go ahead and do that. So first I will sudo cp and then lab underscore, oh, that's not how I spell my own name, Joshua M19. What did I do? I always forget that the number lock on the keys, the number keys on the side, that it turns off. I prefer to use those than the ones at the top of the keyboard. So let's do this again. All right, so we're still in download. So always forget sudo cp lab underscore Joshua aim19.ov, and I could have just copied all this, but I don't want to do it that way. So I have here that I'm going to copy that file, and now I just need the pathways to where I'm going to send it. So I'm going to do /HTB /o open VPN, enter. Alright, let's go back and let's change the directory to HTB and change the directory to open VPN list, and there it is. It's in there. Okay, so at this point, what you do is, okay, yeah. So what you do is sudo and then open VPN lab underscore Joshua M19.ovpn. Battery is full, and enter, and there it goes, connecting. And so once you do that, you head on back over and you just wait right here for you to connect. Pending connection, could take a second. Oh yeah, there it goes. When I first was doing this, I was doing it with the virtual machine that they provide for you. Since I don't pay for a membership, I couldn't use that anymore. So to do the labs, I had to learn how to do this. So I hope that in showing how to do this, that I can teach somebody else how to do it, or if they've never heard of Hack the Box, give you guys some interest in checking it out, because I do recommend it. It is the opposite of what I've been doing with Let's Defend. That's the blue team. This is now the red team. I highly recommend checking this out. Wow. Yeah, so once you connect, you're able to do the labs. See, I've done all of these ones. These are very easy. I'm still what they call a script kiddie. Still very new to the hacking world. It is a bit more complex than the defending or investigating. But if you were to pay for the VIP, you get all these other ones. But without that, without even paying, just all the free stuff, still very useful. It's very educational. I've learned a lot just about the commands for Kali. I've learned a lot just about computers in general. You know, obviously learning how to hack into hack using somebody's IP address and things like that. It's a whole nother world that's a little different than what my other videos were about. But yeah, today's video, I just wanted to give a quick walkthrough on how I learned how to do that. I know I got lost for a second, but we found our way back. It wasn't too complicated, just copying that and then putting it in an OpenVPN file. So then once I open it with the OpenVPN, because it comes preloaded onto Kali Linux, you're able to open it and start the virtual machine and get lab access. All right. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a quick one. Maybe I'll do more Hack the Box walkthroughs for the actual labs. Who knows? For now, we'll stick to this and the Let's Defend. But like and subscribe. I always mess that up. Like and subscribe. Follow me for more content. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good day.